Have you ever tried a traditional Irish potato cake before? A delightful blend of rustic flavors, this dish has been warming the homes and hearts of the Irish for centuries. The humble potato is transformed into a crisp, golden cake that's soft and fluffy on the inside. With roots in traditional Irish cuisine, this dish has stood the test of time, becoming a beloved staple in kitchens worldwide. It's simple, delicious, and utterly comforting. Today, we will learn how to make this delicious dish at home. To make the Irish potato cake, you'll need the following ingredients. Begin with 2 pounds or about 4 cups of russet potatoes, peeled and diced. You'll also need half a cup of unsalted butter, melted, and 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Don't forget a teaspoon of baking powder and salt and pepper to taste. For a hint of freshness, add 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh parsley. Lastly, have around 1 cup of milk on hand. These ingredients are easily available and make the perfect Irish potato cake. Firstly, we begin by preparing the potatoes. Our choice for this recipe is the versatile and readily available russet potato, known for its fluffy texture and earthy taste. Begin by peeling the potatoes, removing all the skin to reveal the creamy white flesh. Once peeled, dice the potatoes into small, equal-sized pieces. This ensures they cook evenly and quickly. Next, we're going to cook the potatoes. Put them in a pot and fill it with enough water to cover them. Add a generous pinch of salt for flavor. Bring this pot to a boil and let these lovely cubes of potato cook until they're tender. You'll know they're ready when you can easily pierce them with a fork. This usually takes around 15 to 20 minutes. Once cooked, drain the potatoes well, ensuring no water is left. While the potatoes are still warm, mash them until they're smooth and creamy. Now that our potatoes are ready, let's move on to making our potato dough. Now it's time to make our potato dough. Begin by combining the warm, mashed potatoes with the melted butter in a large mixing bowl. This will give our dough a creamy texture and a rich, buttery flavor. Next, in a separate bowl, whisk together the all-purpose flour, baking powder, and a dash of salt and pepper. This dry mix will provide structure to our potato cakes. Gradually add this mixture to the mashed potatoes, ensuring to mix well so that all the ingredients are evenly distributed. Now, for a pop of color and a hint of freshness, add the chopped parsley to the bowl. Continue to mix until everything is well combined. It's time now to form our dough. If the mixture feels too dry, don't hesitate to add milk gradually until a soft but not sticky dough forms. Voila! Our potato dough is ready. Let's get it rolled out and cut into rounds. With our dough ready, it's time to cook our potato cakes. First, we need to roll out our dough on a surface dusted with flour. Aim for a thickness between 1/2 inch and 1 inch. Once that's done, we're going to cut our dough into rounds. You can use a round cutter for this, or if you don't have one, a glass will work just as well. Now the fun part. Heat a skillet or griddle over medium heat. Once it's hot, place your potato cakes on the surface. Watch them closely, because they'll turn golden brown in about 3 to 4 minutes. Then flip them over and cook the other side. The aroma is simply irresistible. Remember, patience is key. You want your potato cakes to be evenly cooked and have that beautiful golden brown exterior. Once they're ready, transfer them to a serving plate. And voila! Our delicious Irish potato cakes are ready to be served. Finally, serve the Irish potato cakes warm with your choice of toppings or as a side dish. These golden brown delights can be savored with a dollop of sour cream or a sprinkle of chives. They make an excellent side for hearty stews or can be enjoyed solo for a comforting snack. For a breakfast twist, try them with a sunny-side-up egg on top. So there you have it, a simple and delicious traditional Irish potato cake recipe. Give it a try and enjoy.